That loud stomach growl in public is not always hunger. It is actually your gut cleaning itself. Scientists call this the migrating motor complex. Every few hours, your intestines go on a deep cleaning cycle, sweeping out leftover food and bacteria. Weird fact, your stomach actually growls louder when it is empty because there is no food to muffle the sound. That is why it always happens in the most embarrassing places like meetings, dates, or church. Instead of being ashamed, you should be proud. It means your body is literally doing housekeeping. Next time someone laughs at your growl, tell them it is just your gut vacuum cleaner. When was the last time your stomach embarrassed you? Drop it in the comments.